Before you decide to host a special event, make an honest assessment about whether the property warrants this kind of an open house. Consider these factors. How do your sellers feel about this? Do they want this kind of publicity? Are they on board with a highly publicized event? Is the seller still living in the property or is the home vacant? Is it staged? Have you already tried traditional marketing channels for this home? Have you tried international websites, broker opens, and other methods that have been effective in your market? Do you truly think that this kind of event will help get this home sold? It may be a big imposition for the seller, so make sure this will be more beneficial for your client than it will be for you. Who do you expect your buyer will be? Will this event attract them or their agent? Will your event appeal to agents who work with multiple clients that will fit this price level and style? If you decide to move forward with this kind of open house, make sure your seller is completely on board. Set a date, set a budget, and start planning. A unique luxury open house is like a product launch. You're debuting this property in all of its splendor and grandeur.